Screen is visible?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Yes. Good morning, students. The subject Max 1. I am Mrs. M. Dilkhush Roswe from LK Wagji Municipal Secondary School. So before we go into the, before we solve the sums, no, just we will glance once the question pattern. Okay. So just you see this one. Everyone knows this question pattern. So once again, you see, so there will be a 5 question number. Okay, question number will be 5. In that first question number 1, A, B division will be there. And you know already everything. So MCQ and 1 mark question. And the number of questions attempt 4. Okay, both 4 you have to attend. And the marks also we will be getting total 8 marks for this question number 1. And then next question number 2, the same way A and B division is there. And here 2 marks activity you will get and 2 mark questions they will ask. And 2 marks activity, 2 you have to attempt, and 2 mark question, 4 you have to attempt. And marks you will be getting total 12 marks you will get in this question number 2. Okay. Okay. So, and then question number 3, the same AB division is there. Here 3 marks activity and 3 marks question. Okay. And 3 marks activity, 1 question you have to attempt, and 3 mark questions, 2 questions you have to attend. And marks 3 and 6 respectively, you will get it. And total in this main 9 marks you can score. Okay. And next one, you know, question number 4, you know, 4 mark question, 2 you're supposed to attempt, and 8 marks you will be getting. And question number 5, 3 mark question, 1 question you have to attend, and 3 marks you will be getting. Okay. Yes. Now you see, students, here this question number 1, question number 2. Okay. And this question number 3, first part. So up till here, when you total it, no, you will get 23 marks over here. Okay. That means 1 mark question fully covered, 2 mark questions fully covered, and question number 3, only this activity based question is covered. Okay. So up till here, when you see, you will be getting this 23 marks total. So what I am going to indicate now today, this average and below average students. Okay. So if they score this 23 marks, and then for them it will be very easy to pass this Max 1 paper. Okay, suppose out of 23, if 3 marks goes also, maybe some sign mistakes or anything, if you do any mistakes, 3 marks if it goes, and then also remaining 20 marks you are having in your hand. So out of 40, 20 marks if you get, and then out of 50, 20 plus 10 internal marks of Max 1. So totally you will get 30 marks. So out of 50, you will get 30 marks. So near about 60% marks you can get here. Okay, students. So we will see how we can score this 20 marks, how we can score this 20 marks in this lecture. Okay. So first of all, you have to know the formulas. Okay, formula. And the important formulas I will remind you. See, the first one is the Cramer's rule. So Cramer's rule, everyone knows, x equal to dx upon d and y equal to dy upon d. Okay. And then it's a standard form of quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then the third formula, it's a formula method in quadratic equation, formula method. So x equal to, this x is depends on the variable. If m comes means m will come over here, and x y means y will come here, and okay, depends on the variable you will get over here. Okay. So for x variable I have taken x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac the whole upon 2a. Okay. And then next 3, when you see, you know, this is the nature of the root. When the delta value, or delta means it's a discriminant value is equal to 0, then the nature will be the roots are real and equal. If the delta greater than 0, then the nature real and unequal. The delta less than 0, the nature is not real, the roots are not real. Okay. So everyone knows all these things. and just we will do the we will recollect all these things. And discriminant, you know what do you mean by what is the symbol for the discriminant? It's a delta equal to b square minus 4ac. Okay, and then to form the quadratic equation, to write the quadratic equation, so what is the formula? X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta equal to 0. The next one is the third chapter, is a common difference. Common difference means it's a symbol D and a formula T2 minus T1. And this is, next one is nth term, we have to find it. So Tn equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. The next one, Sn first formula, sum of the n terms, okay? Sn first formula, n upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D. The Sn second formula, Sn equal to n upon 2 into T1 plus Tn. That means first term plus the last term. And the next last one is probability P of A equal to N of A upon N of S. So this much formulas, no, you have to by heart like anything, because always, I mean, you have to keep in your mind, okay? So if you know only this many formulas, no, and then that 20 marks scoring is very easy. Is it clear, children? Okay, so the first we will go, the next one. Yes, listen here, the first topic. To find the x or y value to draw graph from the given linear equation in two variables. The question will be like this, for drawing the graph, 3x minus 2y equal to minus 1. If y equal to 2, what is the value of x? Okay, see, they have given the y value, they are asking for x. Okay, so how to do? Everyone knows that. First you write the equation, and then wherever y comes, no, there you supposed to submit two value. Okay, see, I have submitted over here 3x minus 2 into this y value I have submitted, and then equal to minus 1. So next one I have simplified here, 3 into 2 2s are 4, you are getting minus 1, and then 3x, this minus 4 when we bring to the other side, it will become plus 4, and then you will get the x value as 1. Okay, so this is very important question. For 1 mark question, you will be getting this question. So the next one, you see, like this questions, I have given some 3 questions model also here. Okay, see, 5x plus 2y equal to 16. X value is given, y value you have to find it. And one more example I have given, 3x plus 7y equal to 27. Y value is given, x value you have to find it. And 4x plus 5y equal to 19 is given, x value is given, and you are supposed to find the y value. Is it clear, children? So this one question, I have simplified one question over here, and 3 examples I have given here. So every time when you start practicing maths on sums, no, you go accordingly. First to do this one, practice this, and then you practice these 3 your own. Okay, so you will be getting that practice of this question. Is it clear, children? Okay, so if you want, you take the screenshot. So like this one question I have solved, and I have given you the practice questions. So it is easy for you solve the question, and practicing, you will get more practicing if you solve in this way. Okay, children? Okay, shall we move to the next slide? See here, one more activity questions. Activity question they will give. Complete the following activity to draw the graph of 3x minus y equal to 2. So everyone knows this one. See, x and y value they will be giving, and x comma y. Here one box will be there. Here one box. Here one box, and here one box. Total 4 box will be there. Okay, that means half a mark, half a mark. Here half, here half. Total 2 marks you will get. Okay, for 2 marks you will get like this questions. So first column you take, y value is given, x value you supposed to find out. Okay, children. So y value given, no, so either y ka value you have to substitute over here, and then you will get the x value. Okay, so here if you substitute, no, you will get 1 as a value here, and then next column you take x value minus 1 is given, So in X space, no, you put this -1, substitute this -1, and then you will get the Y value. So -5, like this you will get. Okay. Now see children, here also 1 we got, here -5. Very good. And next here down, the first column, X and Y coordinate, that column you have to fill it. So how will you fill? 1, 1, and here you will get -1, -5. So everyone familiar with these questions? Okay. And do practice this average and below average students. No, you do this, do a practice of this type of questions. Surely you will get. See, I have given here some model questions also. See, 3 questions I have given here. 2x minus 6y equal to 3, x plus y equal to 3, and x minus y equal to 4. Okay. So this one, here also 4 columns only, I mean 4 boxes only I have given, and you can do a very nice practice of these questions. Is it clear, children? Yes. So we'll go to the next question. So next, see, to find d, dx, dy from the given simultaneous equations. Okay, given equations. So how this type of questions they will ask, what is the value of d? You know, Cramer's rule means d, dx, dy, x and y. These are the 5 factors you're supposed to find out. But in 1 mark, 2 mark questions, when they ask, they will ask in this way, to find d, or to find dx, or to find dy. They'll be asking in that way. Okay. So 2 questions they will be giving, 3x minus 2y equal to 6, 2x plus y equal to 11. So how to find this d? I have written that 2 questions, I mean equations over here. Now you see this right side, you can see one number. Okay, d, dx, dy, 12, 32, 13. Okay, this is actually for my students. No, I have taught in this way. This is a Cramer's number, I used to say. Okay, so 12 means this is the first column and the second column. Okay, first column and the second column. So to find the d value, 12 number. So that means first column and the second column. So here you can write first column and second column, and you know how to find the determinant value. Okay, 3 into 1. So cross multiplication, 3 into 1 minus, minus is the default. Okay, minus 2 into 2, minus 2 into 2. So when you simplify, you will get here 7. Okay. So in this question, they have asked only d value. So we can use easily 12. And then dx, if you want to find out, 32. What do you mean by 32? It's the third column and the second column. First, the third column you have to write, and then second column. Then the third one is 13. dy is 13, the first column and the third column. So it's like a fancy number, no children. So it's very easy to remember also. D, dx, dy. My students, if you ask, they will be telling this one. Whenever you ask, they will tell. Okay, d, dx, dy, 12, 32, 30. This number. See here also some questions I have given. See, in this question we have to find the value of dx from these 2 equation, and here you're supposed to find out dy. What is the value of dy from these 2 simultaneous equation? And here see, this one and this one, maybe they'll ask for 1 mark. If they ask for 2 questions, that means d and dx simultaneously, and then it will be surely for 2 marks. Okay. So from these 2, I mean from these simultaneous equations. Is it clear, children? Is it clear? Okay. Next one will go. So to find x or y using Cramer's rule. So this is also 1 mark question. See, by any question paper, if you take, no children, the first main, second main, when you see this type of questions will be there. Okay, you can check it out. You take one model papers from Navneet or from board question bank. You take and see this type of questions, surely it will be there. See, for simultaneous equation in x and y, if d is given, dx is given, dy value is given, then what is the value of x? So we supposed to find out the value of x by using Cramer's rule. By seeing this values only, you will come to know surely this is from Cramer's rule only. Okay. Yes. Next is say, we have to find the value of x. So x means immediately we will get this formula, x equal to dx upon d. Okay, children. And then you see dx value we have to substitute over here, and then d also we have to substitute. And when you simplify, you will get x value as 5. Okay. Yes, this type of questions I have given here. D value, dx value, dy value they have given, and they have asked for x value. Okay, they have asked for what is the value of x. And then you see next one, you see dx, dy, d is given. You have to find the value of x. And next one, you see for simultaneous equation in x and y, d is given, dx, dy is given. Then what is the value of y? Then side screen count. Next. Next, to find the value of determinant. Okay, so find the value of the determinant. So here the question is there: 5 minus 7, 3 minus 4. So you have to find the value of this determinant, cross multiplication from up to down. Okay, so 5 into minus 4 minus 3 into minus 7 equal to minus 20 plus 7 3s are 21 plus 21 equal to 1. Okay, so at last you will get the value. This given determinant you write over here, and then equal to the last value you write over here. Okay, this is one more questions. See here some practice. For practice, I have given some questions here. Find the value of the determinant and then find the value of the determinant. Here one minus sign is there. Here two minus signs are there. So please do the practice. When the minus sign is increases, no, the problem also increases. Okay, children, when the minus sign increases, the problem also increases. Complication also increases. Okay, so do the practice so that you will get the clear-cut picture. And here, see, it's a search form is given. 9th standard, you might have studied. No, this one search form is given. So when you multiply the search, say first you have to multiply the whole number, and then the radicand you have to multiply. This 3 and 3 you have to multiply. Okay, so then find the value of determinant. It's a fraction type it is given. Okay, fraction 7 upon 3. This is textual questions only. Question only 5 upon 3, 3 upon 2, and 1 upon 2. So please do this because they will give this one for 1 mark. This question, no, this question they may give for 2 marks. Okay, so just practicing these 4 questions, so it will be easy for you. We'll pass on to the next slide. And here, based on this activity question also they will ask. Okay, activity means here one box they will give, or here some box where they will give. If it's a 2-mark question, 4 boxes will be there. So once you know to solve this type of question, and you can solve plain 1-mark question, plain 2-mark question, and activity question also you can solve. Is it clear, children? Then next, to find the value of determinant, unknown value. So what is this unknown value? See, sometimes, no, in the question paper, the questions are like this. If the value of the determinant m minus 5 to 7 is 31, then find the value of m. Okay, so m we do not know. Okay, this m value, sometimes x they may give m or t. Okay, any unknown value they can give over here. So if it is like this, and then how we can solve this question? See, m minus 5 to 7 equal to 31 is given, and then the same like that only do the cross multiplication. M into 7 minus 2 into minus 5 equal to here 1 is missed. Okay, so 31 come over. 31 will be here. Okay, and then 7m plus 5 2s are 10 equal to 31. I have written over here, and then therefore 7m. This plus 10 when you take to the other side, it will become a minus 10. And then 7m equal to 31, 10 goes means you will get 21. So what is our aim over here? We have to find the value of m. So m equal to 21. The 7 will come in the denominator. So m equal to 3. Okay. So like this, some model questions I have given over here. See, children. Here also m, determinant value is 22. And we're supposed to find the value of m. So here also the determinant value is 31. Minus 31. And find the value of m. So the next question is value of the determinant is given, But here this is little search form. Okay, so please do this practice well. Is 31, then find the value of m. Okay, children. So when they give this unknown values, so how to find the given value, that is given unknown alphabet. Okay, that means given variable, how to find. Now the next question. Okay, one more question also is there. Okay, so 4 questions I have given here. So your 21 set also I have referred. So many question papers I have referred, and then only I have given you these questions. So please take the screenshot so that you can do well practice. The next one, to find the value of x plus y and x minus y. Okay, so this here simultaneous equation will be given, and they'll ask us to find x plus y and x minus y. Okay, so here listen here, children. Okay, first you see here this question, when you observe, no, diagonal shape, you see the coefficients are same. So like this simultaneous equations they will give, and then they will ask you to find out this x plus y and this x minus y. Okay, so it's all plus sign, no? So first you adding equation 1 and 2, you will get 32 plus 32x plus 32y equal to 32, and then you divide this equation by 32, you will be getting answer as x plus y equal to 1. So you got the answer, x plus y, you got it over here. Yes. So then you come this side. Okay, see, you see, is it visible to students? Subtracting second equation from first. So while we're doing this one, no, the subtracting, when we do, the second equation's sign will change over here. Okay, this plus will become minus, this plus will become minus, here this plus will become minus. Okay, so plus 15x minus 17x. So you will get here minus 2x. 17y minus 15y, you will get here plus 2y, greater number sign. And then plus 11 minus 21, you will get over here minus 10. Okay, and here you throughout this equation multiply by minus sign, so this minus will become plus, here it will become minus, and here it will become plus. Okay, and divide by 2, you will be getting x minus y equal to 5. Sometimes they will ask for this one, not sometimes, they will, okay, only x plus y if they ask means 1 more questions. Both if they ask means then it will be 2 more questions. Okay, so here also some model I have given. See, find 12x plus 13y equal to 29, 13x minus 12y equal to 21, x plus y, x minus y. And this is one more question, is a 21 question only, this one 21 set from 21 set. And this is from our textbook. Okay, textbook, one more question also is there. You do that one also practice. Mostly textual questions, no, you practice more, children, because you will be getting this first 3 main from textbook only. Okay, yes. Yes, next we'll go. Cramer's rule. So Cramer's rule everyone knows. So here I no need to explain this one. See, simultaneous equations will be given. We have to solve this by Cramer's rule. First and second equation. D you have to find it, 12 first column and second column. Then dx you have to find it. That means the third column and the second column. Okay, dx you got it. And then dy, that means the first column and the third column. Okay, so dy value also you got. Cross multiplication, this one you got it. And then by using Cramer's rule, we are using here the formula x equal to dx upon d. Dx value is 0 and d value is 8. Okay, 0 upon 8, you will get 0 only, so x value 0. And y value dy upon d, substitute the values. Dy is okay, here this dy is made a mistake over here, so 24, and d value is 8. Okay, so you will get here 3. So therefore x equal to 0, y equal to 3 is the solution of given simultaneous equation. This last answer is must, students, because this carry half a mark. Always this last answer carry half a mark. Okay, so this last answer is very, very important. Clear, children? And here I have not given any extra a question for practicing, because in your textbook 1.3 practice set is there, no, that second main you see whatever questions are given there, that is very important. Just you practice that one. Okay. And just all the examples are given, no, illustrated examples, that also you practice it. Okay. So here two chances are there. One is 3 marks they can ask like this, and 3 marks activity question also they can ask in this Cramer's rule. Is it clear, children? Activity means only here and there they will put the boxes. That's all. Yeah, just you have to fill those boxes. Is it clear, students? So Cramer's rule, easily you can score to, sometimes this is 3 marks, no, plain 3 marks also, they will ask this question. So you can easily score good marks by doing this Cramer's rule or by solving this Cramer's rule. Okay, then you see here, to write the quadratic equation in standard form, A, and write the values of A, B, and C. Next question you see, how they will ask the question, see. Write the quadratic equation x square minus y equal to 13x in standard form, and write the value of A, B, and C. Okay. So here it is, equation is written over here, and standard form, you know, ax square plus bx plus c. So 13x you bring to the other this side, left side you bring it. So this plus 13x becomes minus 13x, and this minus 9 as it is. Okay, so equal to 0. So now we got in the standard form. Now you write the a value. What is a value? X square ka coefficient. That is a value, and x ka coefficient will be b value. See, children, wherever minus is there, no, you have to be very sure about that minus sign. You have to write that minus sign, minus 13, and c value is minus 9. Okay, children. So this is in the standard form. This is ABC value. Okay. So here some model questions I have given. This is one question, see, 2x square equal to 3x. Here c term is not there. So your c value will become 0. So c value 0 will come. So please you give your concentration properly, and then you solve this. See, here 3y square equal to 8y minus 5 is given. So here also you make it in standard form. 4x square plus 7 equal to 3x. So 3x you bring to this side. So this plus 3x will become minus 3x when comes over here. Okay. See here, this type also they have asked in 2 board exams. They have asked like this: x plus 4 into x minus 4. This is a binomial multiplication. Okay. So first this x, with this x you multiply these 2 terms, and then with this value you have to multiply these 2 terms. So you will get the answer, students. So it is there all in your textbook only. Okay. So this also you can practice it. We'll go to the next topic. Find the k value when the root is given. Okay, find the k value. See, this type of questions you will get. What is the value of k if 3 is root of the equation kx square minus 7x plus 3 equal to 0? Okay, so how to do? First you write the equation, and then what it is given. When you can write or put you can write, okay, when x equal to 3 or put x equal to 3. Wherever x is there, substitute this 3 value. So here x square place, I have substituted 3 square and minus 7 into this x value. I have put over here 3 and this 3. Then 3 square, it will become 9. 7 3s are 21. And then you say 9 into k, 9k minus 21 plus 3. So you will get here minus 18 equal to 0. Then this 9k minus 18 you bring to the other side. So it will become plus 18. K equal to 18 upon 9. So you will get k value 2. So this you will get for 2 more questions. And here activity question also there. See, some model questions I have given. See here. One of the root of the quadratic equation is 3. Here also x value 3 you have to take. And here one of the root of the quadratic equation is 4. Here x value 4 you take, and then you substitute wherever x is there you substitute 4 value, you will get the k value. And then here, see here you see it is in the fraction. So you don't think like only whole numbers they will give. It's not like that. They can give this fraction numbers also. Okay, so this also you have to practice it, children. Minus 3 upon 2. And this is very familiar question, and in our textbook it is solved examples for activity question. Okay, So this also, it's very important, children. So you have to practice this. Activity questions in this K value they will ask. So that also for 2 marks, even for 3 marks also they may ask. Okay, so easily you can score in this topic 2 to 3 marks you can score. And now to find the value of discriminant. Okay, the determinant we saw, now it's a discriminant. Find the value of the discriminant for the quadratic equation x square plus 7x minus 1 equal to 0. Write the equation as it is, and then you know what is the a value, coefficient of x square 1, and x coefficient b value, that is 7, and the last one constant c equal to minus 1. The next one, you know, to find the discriminant, what is the formula? Delta equal to b square minus 4ac. This is a to find the discriminant. This is a formula. So whenever you write the formula, now children, write the formula and please indicate like this. Formula, aisa indicate karo, then it will be easy for you. Okay. Next, yes, substitute it. B square value you substitute here, 7 square, and minus 4 into 1 into c value is minus 1. And then 7 sevens are 49, minus into minus it becomes plus, 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4. So then 49 plus 4 you add it, you will get delta equal to, that means discriminant equal to 53. Okay, so here some 3 questions I have given children here. 3x square minus 10x plus 3 equal to 0. 2x square plus 5 root 3x plus 6 equal to 0. See, this is the b value. So when you, b value means you have to take the square here, no here. So when you take the square, no, this will become a whole number. Okay, so you no need to worry about here. Then find the value of the discriminant for the quadratic equation. Okay, so this equation also you can do the practice. Okay, so here activity question also, based on this activity question also they will ask. So 2 mark question, 4 boxes they will give. Next one, to find the nature of the root. This also very important question. Determine the nature of the root of the quadratic equation 3x square minus 5x plus 7 equal to 0 from their discriminant. So from their discriminant means first you have to find the discriminant. So from that discriminant value, we have to analyze the nature, or we have to derive the nature. Okay. See here, 3x square minus 5x plus 7 equal to 0. As you know, you can write a, b, c value, then write the formula, then substitute it, children, and then simplify it. You will get the last delta equal to minus 59 you are getting. So the delta value in negative sign. Okay, delta value is in negative sign. So what we will indicate? So negative means it is the less than 0. Delta less than 0. Suppose if it is a positive and then delta greater than 0. Suppose delta value 0 if you get, then you can write over here delta equal to 0. Clear, children? So here minus sign we got. So delta less than 0. So therefore the roots are not real. The roots are not real. So this much if you write, no, see for finding delta 1 mark you will get. To writing this nature, no, you will get 1 mark. So 2 mark question, 2 marks easily you can score. So here also some practice questions I have given. 2x square minus 3x minus 4 equal to 0. And then 3y square plus 9y plus 4 equal to 0. Same, determine the nature. Determine the nature. Okay. Say, you have to read and see, children. Read the question properly. And then you start solving. The students know they will not read the question. Directly they will solve the question. So if you solve like that, and then when you get the question paper in your hand, it will be confusion for you. It will be confusion for you. For which question I have to solve, which sums, like that you will get the confusion. So please read the question and then you solve it. Okay. So next one. To form the quadratic equation or to write the quadratic equation. See how the questions will be. Write the quadratic equation whose roots are 3 and 8. Whose roots are 3 and 8. So first you take this 3 as alpha equal to 3. This root you take it as alpha root, alpha 3, and 8 is as beta equal to 8. You take like this. And here, no, actually, 1 minute, children. Yes, actually, this is the formula. X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha into beta equal to 0. This is the formula. So whatever we need, what and all we need over here, alpha plus beta we needed here, and alpha into beta also we need. So first let us find this alpha plus beta. So 3 plus 8. So you will get 11 as the answer, alpha plus beta. Then alpha into beta, 8 into 3. So you'll get 24. So alpha into beta, 24 you got. So now you substitute it. X square, alpha plus beta place, you have to substitute 11. And alpha into beta, you substitute 24. So this is your quadratic equation. You got the quadratic equation now? It's very easy question. And very easily you can substitute. And only thing you have to remember this formula. I have shown in the second slide, that formulas I showed, all those formulas, you by heart it. Okay, so then it will be easy for you to score 23 marks is very easily you can score it. Now, some questions for practicing I have given. Write the quadratic equation whose roots are -2 and -5. Then write the quadratic equation whose roots are 0 and 4. Write the quadratic equation whose roots are -3 and 6. Okay, wait 1 minute. Activity question also. See here, children, textbook, in textbook, 2 activity question is given based on this sum. Okay, so activity question means some 4 boxes they will be giving and you have to fill those things. Okay, so 2 marks easily you can score. Now factorization method. So this method, quadratic equation, we have to solve the quadratic equation. So there are 2 methods. One is the factorization and another one is formula method. Okay, so factorization method, just write the question and then you have to split the middle term. Find the 2 numbers. 15 means 5 3s are 15 you are getting, correct? So all plus sign, so you no need to worry about the signs. Instead of this 8x, you write 5x plus 3x, and now it's become a 4 terms. And then these 2 terms, x is common, you take x common outside, and the remaining is x plus 5. And for these 2 terms, 3 is common, you take 3 common outside, and then x plus 5 equal to 0. And then x plus 5 into x plus 3, that means x plus 5 is common, take outside. The remaining x plus 3 you write over here. And then 2 terms are here, no? Each term you equate to 0. Each term you equate to 0. You have to put here r. And then you see x equal to this plus 5 comes to the other side, -5 it becomes. And plus 3 comes to the other side, it becomes -3. Okay. So sometimes here sign will change, children. When the sign changes, no, accordingly, you have to solve this quadratic equation by factorization method. And last answer is must. -5 and -3 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. So you have to write like this, children. And this is some practice questions I have given. Solve the quadratic equation x square plus x minus 20 equal to 0 by factorization method. And one more, m square minus 14m plus 13 equal to 0 by factorization method. And here this is one third form, my root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 equal to 0 by factorization method. Clear, children? So this is for 2 marks you will get. And here also, here you can get for here. See, it is not in the standard form. Like this also one time they asked in the board exam. This is not in the standard form. Make it a standard form of quadratic equation and then you solve it. Okay. Next is the formula method. Okay, formula method. The questions will be like this. Solve the quadratic equation x square plus 6x plus 5 equal to 0 by formula method. Write the question first. And you know a value, b value, c value, you have to write it. And then you have to find first b square minus 4ac. Okay, b value 6 square minus 4 into 1 into 5. Okay, so 6 square means 36 you will get minus, when you multiply you will get here 20, and then when you subtract it you will get over here 16. So b square minus 4ac, you got the answer as 16. And then you write the formula. You know formula, no? So x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac the whole upon 2a. And after writing this formula, no, so please indicate this formula and then substitute this. Okay, B ka value here, what is given? C value 6, and then B square, this value we found here, no? So directly you substitute here 16 and divide by 2 into A value is 1. So 2 into 1, you will get 2. So here when you are simply, here you see the 16 is the perfect square number. So you can take the square root out. Okay, square root of the 16 easily you can take out. So 4 is the square root of 16. Here what you have to do, one you have to write with the plus sign and the another one you have to write with the minus sign. So minus 6 plus 4, you will get here minus 2 upon 2. Minus 6 minus 4, you will get minus 10 upon 2. When you are cancelling, you will get here minus 1 and here 5 times it goes. So minus 5 you will get, children. Okay. So here also the last answer you have to write x equal to minus 1 and x equal to minus 5 are the roots of the given quadratic equation. Is it clear, students? So this is the this formula method. It's very easy to solve because only you have to know this formula. And then you can substitute the value, you will get the answer. So here some practicing question also I have given. Solve the quadratic equation x square minus 3x minus 2 equal to 0 by formula method. And solve the quadratic equation x square minus 4x minus 5 equal to 0 by formula method. And one more. This is a solved sum from your textbook. So here also, based on this question, they ask the activity question. Okay. So 3 marks also they can ask. 2 marks also they can ask. Okay. So I have prepared for all the 4 chapters, but I don't know the time permits or what. Find the common difference of the 3rd chapter is find the common difference of the AP minus 10, minus 6, minus 2, 2. Okay. So common difference. So common difference means first you try to write this question. And here T1, T2, T3, T4 you write. And you know what is the common difference? D equal to T2 minus T1. So T2 value substitute over here, T1 value, so you substitute over here, and you simplify, you will get to 4. D equal to 4. Okay. So here, one more thing I want to tell you, children. D formula is T2 minus T1. Okay. But sometimes, no, they will ask in 1 mark question. T3 value they will give, T4 value they will give, and they will ask us to find a D value. D means what? Common difference. Okay. So how you will find? T4 minus T3. Okay, so that means the difference of 2 successive terms. Okay, is it clear, children? So you don't think like that T1, T2 should be given in that way. Don't think like that. Okay, so next to next term. So successive terms, if they give no, just you take the difference of those 2, then you will get the common difference. Okay, so here some model questions I have given. You can find the common difference. Okay, so based on this also, they will ask the activity question. They will ask the activity question. So take the screenshot, students, so that for your practicing, it will be easy. Or if you want this PPT also, I can give to you so that you can use this PPT. Yes, to check whether the given sequence is AP or not. Is the sequence AP? So this question will be there in your question paper. Is the sequence 5, 12, 19, 1926, etc. and AP? So what do you have to do? Freeze and run. Yes. Listen here. Yes, you can write a T1 equal to 5, T2 equal to 12, like that also you can write, or else if you mark like this also, no problem. just you find the difference between successive terms. Okay, T2 minus T1, you find it. Then T3 minus T1, you find it. 19 minus 12, I'll get 7. Then T4 minus T3, you find it. 26 minus 19, and then you will you get all the differences same here. Okay, so what you can write here? Here the difference is same. You can write, and then you can conclude that this is it is an AP. So if you do this sum, no, you will get for 2 marks. So here some model questions I have given. Okay, this is a fraction type, but a fraction also denominator are same, children, so it will be easy only to solve it. If any doubt you have, you can ask me. Okay. Yes. Then to write an AP. So to write an AP. So AP is not given, only the first term and the D. Common difference is given. We are going to write an AP. So first A and D you write it. And then A, that is nothing but our first term. T1 equal to 8. Then T2, this T1 plus D. First term plus common difference. So you will get this one, 8 plus common difference is minus 5. So you will get here 3. And then how will find the third term? T2 plus D. Second term plus common difference. So you will get minus 2. And then how will you find the fourth term? T3 minus 2. So T3 minus 2, we got it over here. And then D minus 5. So here, minus 2 minus 5. So you will get minus 7. Clear, children? Okay, so at last, you can write AP. Therefore, AP is this 8. I have written here, this 3, this minus 2, and this minus 7. Is it clear, children? Okay. To write an AP, if they ask means, just you find first 4 terms. Okay, no need to find 5 or 6 terms like that. Only 4 terms you find out. Okay, so here also some model questions I have given. Minus 2 and common difference is 6. And 0.6 and 0.3. Then here first term is 3 and common difference is 0. Okay. So next one is to find the nth term. Nth term. Okay. That means 19th term, 18th term, 32nd term, 39th term. If they ask like that, so how we can do it? Okay. So you write that sequence AP and mark like this: T1, T2, T3, T4. Otherwise, T1 equal to 7, T2 equal to 13, T3 equal to 19. Like that also you can write it. Then A equal to 7 here. Then D value we know, T2 minus T1. So that so we'll find 6. And N, what is this N? This 19th term they are asking, no, 34th term, 32nd term, whatever they ask, that will be your N. Okay. So now you write the formula. Tn equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. That formula you write. In place, what you have to substitute 19. And A value is 7. And then 19 minus 1. D value is 6. I have written here. And then simplify this one. So at last you will get here 115. So T19 equal to 115. That means the 19th term is 115. This is your last answer. The 19th term is 115. Okay. So here also some model questions I have given. 20th term, 23rd term, and the 24th term. Yes, here it's an activity question. So based on this question also, they'll ask the activity question. Okay. Then to find N. So this is also very important question. To find N, which term? They will ask which term. Which term, what is that? N. You're supposed to find the value of N. Okay. So the AP is given here 11, 8, 5, 2, and you mark it here to first term, second term, third term, and fourth term. A value is 11, D value, you know how to find it, T2 minus T1, 8 minus 11, so you will get here minus 3, and the nth term is minus 151 is given in the question itself. So therefore Tn is minus 151. So this is the formula we have to use. Tn, the whole Tn value is how much? Minus 151. A value we know, n minus 1 we know, and d value also we know here. Only n is not there. Only n value is not there. Okay. And then you simplify it. This minus 3 you multiply inside. So minus 3n, minus into minus become plus, 3 ones are 3. And then this 3n you take it to the other side. Minus 3n will become plus 3n. Then 11 plus 3, 14 you will get. And this minus 151 come to this side. It becomes plus 151. So 3n equal to, add these two, you will get 165. When you find the n value, 165 upon 3, you will get the value 55. So the 55th term of an AP is minus 151. So this is the last answer. We have to write it. So for this also, I have given you this answers. This model questions. See, which term of the yes. Time up now.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Okay, okay. So students, actually, ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am, 1 minute. Actually, for next.
Okay.
So yes, and also you can find out here, children. So if you want to know, you take the screenshot of this, because only this period I got. So this yes, and also you take the screenshot. Here also activity questions you will get. Okay, students. So just you take the screenshot. Otherwise, if you want this PowerPoint also, I can give to you. And the chapter 5 also, see, this is the one model question. I have prepared. This is one model question. One more question. Surely you will get one more question from this. And then next is sample space. I have written all the sample space. Okay. See, if they ask a probability, if they are not asking the probability, only set notation if you want to write everything, no? Once you know the sample space and n of s, it will be very easy for you. Okay, see, 52 playing cards also, 26 red card, 26 black cards. Okay, so everything I have written here. If you want this, the 3 men and 2 women, how to frame the sample space. So that also I have shown here. And 2-digit numbers. Okay, how to, and what is odd number, what is even number. Prime number 1 to 100, I have written over here. Prime number 1 to 100, I have written over here. And then composite number also I have written. Perfect square number also I have written. Okay, students. Okay, thank you, students. If you have any doubt, you can contact me. You can ask me. Okay, I will help you. I will explain you. Thank you, students.
Thank you, ma'am.